Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we'll show you how to pay Citibank credit card bill online. Now you need to know that there are two methods. One method via the mobile application and the other one is online. The first option, which is via the online application, you will have to log in into your account, then click on your card that you wish to pay with, then verify the statement details, then click on pay statement or go directly to pay to card. Select whether you want to pay our current balance, minimum amount due, or another amount. Then review your payment and click on pay. That was by the application. And for the online method, you will have to log in into your account also, then click on payments and transfers, then enter the generated one-time PIN, select the credit card that you will be paying for, then choose whether you want to pay your current balance, minimum amount due, or another amount. And after that, review your payment details and click on confirm and pay. And that was the two methods. And that's all for today's review. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.